set A, subset of a set A can be equal to set A. A subset of a set A can be equal to a what you asked? Can write it.
Proper set.
No need. Set A, but the difference between subset and proper subset we are discussing. But a proper subset of a set A can never be equal to set A. Can never be equal to set A. That is the difference between a subset and a proper subset. Proper subset means that A should not be there. In subset means A will be there. Got the difference between the two?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then symbol for proper subset is this one. Then starting you wrote no side heading subsets, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Starting you write subsets and that proper subsets. There you write the heading like this way. Starting we wrote subsets only, so subsets and proper subsets heading. Symbol for proper subset is this C. Then what about the symbol? Once again you wrote that, no? Then once again you write here itself. For subset is what? Is subset is one equal sign also there. Symbol for very important for higher classes. Very important this one. Symbol. Okay. So A. This one B. How can we read this? How can we read this?
A subset of B.
A is a subset of. Write down A. Write like this. Below that, write this.
This.
Okay, we can. Okay, once again you write. We can read this as A subset of B. Usually we will write what 2 less than 3, or we can read this as what 2 less than 3, or another way. How can we read this? Same without changing the meaning.
3 greater than 2.
3 greater than 2. Same way, A subset of B. That is, we can read this as A subset of B, or B is a superset of A. Either we can say it as B is a superset of A, or A is a subset of B. A subset of B or B superset. B is the bigger one, no? Same as this equal symbol, no? Less than or greater than symbol, no? So here, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? B, no?
B bigger.
B is the bigger. A is the small one. Okay.
Ma'am, B is a superset of A.
A subset of B, or we can read this as A subset of B, or B is a superset of A. Same as less than or greater than or equal to. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more thing. Number of, already we wrote number of subsets. No. Once again you write number of, to find the number of subsets. No. Number of subsets is equal to number of subsets is equal to, how to find the number of subsets? Formula 2 raised to n. Same way, number of, to find the number of proper subsets is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Here minus. Don't write 2 raised to n minus 1. Not in the power. Understood? 2 raised to n down 1. This is wrong. 2 raised to n minus 1. Not 2 raised to n minus 1. What the difference between that two? 2 raised to n minus 1 is different. 2 raised to n minus 1. Write subsets and proper sets together. Then it will be easy for you to study. That's why. Already we wrote this. But again, once again, you write this. Okay. Then we discussed the first question. How many of you haven't done the questions? First question. You didn't get time. Please raise your hands. How many of you didn't do? Then only I can do. No? Otherwise. Okay. You didn't do. Okay. So we can discuss. Others listen. Those who have done, no, that you can do in the rough book. Okay. Take your rough book and you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't waste your time. Not sit simply. First question. First I thought of sending, but after that I thought that sometimes you will not get means. That's why I didn't send. So 6C, first question. Find all the subsets of each of the following. Each of the following sets. So first question, A is equal to set 5, 7. We had to find the subsets of each of the following sets. So instead of this can be, the question is subsets. You can write proper subsets also, no? One or two
Yes, ma'am.
So just here subsets and proper subsets. That also you add. Then it will be easy. Proper subsets. Same question we can do subsets and proper subsets both. Subsets, and in your text you will have only subsets. But write proper.
So is equal to 5,
5, 7. No?
7.
5, 7 question. Any doubt? What?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Number of, first we can write number of subsets.
Subset
Is equal.
It's
equal
equal
to 2 raised to n.
Tell me.
2 raised to 2.
Ma'am.
Tell me. I can see my video step.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Your video is clear.
No, ma'am.
No.
Correct.
No,
Yes.
Just leave the meeting and re-enter. Then it will be. Number of subsets formula 2 raised to n. 2 raised to 2, which is equal to
2 raised to 4.
4. So we have to find out the subsets. Therefore, subsets.
Subset of A is equal to
The subsets of A is equal to what we can write?
set 5
5,
Five.
okay, comma,
Null
5,
Set 5
5. Set 5.
and set
Set
7.
7.
that's it. So this only we need. Understood? This is our question, text question. But we add which one? Proper subsets also.
Proper subsets also.
So what we want to do? If the same question we have to find the proper subsets means what we will do? A number of
Number of subsets. Number of proper subsets
Number
is
of
equal to
formula
2 raised 1.
2 raised to n minus 1.
minus 1. That is 2 raised to 2
That is equal to
minus
2 raised to 2 minus 1. 3.
4
4 minus 1,
1.
that is 3.
is equal to 3. Therefore, the proper subsets
The
of
proper subsets of
of subsets of A
A
is
is
equal
equal
to no need of writing which one?
Null
No need of writing
Subsets.
5 and 5 7. So
5 set.
what we write?
Null
null
set
set.
1 second.
Set
5
5
and set 7. And set 7.
So do the next one, second question. I will write the question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Two.
Ma'am, you have muted yourself.
Ma'am,
You have muted.
Raised to 3 is
Yeah, I
8.
have some disturbance. That's why I mute. Now okay.
8 subsets of
Subset
set
of
B,
A
C,
equal
set
A,
A,
B,
B,
C.
C.
Null set. Null set.
Null set. Set
Set
A,
A. Set B.
set
Set
A,
B.
set B,
Set
set
C.
C,
Set to C.
Set
Then
A. Set
set
A B.
A and B,
Set
B.
A B.
set AC,
A
set BC,
Set B C. Set B
Set
C.
AB, then AC. First to
Then
do with
set
same as bracket changing, no. AB, AC. Then next step.
A, B, C, A, B, C.
Can we write
BC.
BA? Do we want to write a BA?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yesterday I told no, don't go backwards. Already,
That.
BA, if you are writing BA means already it is written AB. AB and BA both are same, no. So no need of writing which one? BA. Only write which one? BC.
BC.
Not write BA. Already we wrote AB. That's why we are not writing which one? BA. So next we want to write only BC. Then next count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Completed, no?
7. Yes, ma'am. 8.
Number of proper subsets. is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1, which is equal to
1. 2 raised to 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, 7.
then proper subsets of B.
B is equal to null set.
Null set.
Set
Null
A.
set A also. This way also. Null set means the symbol. Both way we can write. Okay. Then set A. Set
Set
B.
A.
Set
Set
C.
B. Set AB. Set AC. Set BC.
Set B. Okay. Set BC. Okay.
And we can't see the down
Okay.
part of the board.
Okay. Okay. I will understand. Sunlight there, no? Now it's okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Now it's okay, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
to find the subsets means formula is 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n means 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. To find the proper subsets means we want to subtract 1. Okay. So can you do the third one? Can you do the third one? Set of
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will do.
Yes. Third one question.
set of all x. So completed this? Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
First you want to convert that into which one? Roster form. Check it. Set of all x such that x belongs to w, comma x less than or equal to 2. C is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to w and x less than or equal to 2. Okay.
C is equal to set 0, 1, 2.
0, 0, 1,
0, 1, 2.
2,
Set 0,
Set 0, 1, 2.
1,
1 and 2.
2 needed.
2.
yes, ma'am, equal to sign is
Then or equal to 0.
Equal to sign is there, so you should write a 2. Then next step is what we have to do. So we got the question only, no? We have to find which one subsets of the set.
Subset and proper subset.
So number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n, which is equal to 2 raised to 3. Then subsets of C.
C is equal to
And subsets of C.
Subsets
set 0, 1, 2.
of set
0,
0,
1,
2. Then
null set.
set
Set 0.
Hmm.
Set 1. Set 2.
set 2,
Set 0, 1.
0, 1,
Set 0, 1. Set 0, 2.
0, 2.
0, 2.
Then
Set 1, 2. Set 1, 2.
check it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then
number of proper subsets.
for your convenience, I am writing here as one second. For your convenience, I am writing the same question, subsets and proper subsets. For exam, if they ask only subsets means write only subsets. Understood? No need of writing both. If they ask subsets, write only subsets. If they ask proper subsets, write proper subsets. No need of writing it
So this
together.
is
Understood?
how
For
the
your
questions.
convenience only, I am writing like this way.
Yes, ma'am.
Number of proper. You want to know where the difference between subsets and proper subsets. That's why I am writing all this. 2 raised to n minus 1. Is it correct?
No,
What
ma'am.
is-
Two. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Minus one should be down.
Don't-
Minus
minus 1.
Minus 1.
2 raised to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 8 minus 1, 7. Then proper subsets.
of C is equal to null set. Set
Simply
1.
don't look this. Remaining all the things you can copy. No. 5. Then set 0, set 1, set 2, set 0, 1, set 0, 2, set 1, 2. Fourth question. Completed this one?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
more.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
What about down part?
Yes, ma'am. We can see that.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
The fourth question. Same. Fourth one. Set of all P such that. Fourth question. Set of all P such that P is a letter in the word. Letter in the word poor. Letter in the word poor. Set of all P such that P is
Set
a
P O
P
set P
double O R.
set O R. Set
So we
set
can write this as
POR.
we can name this set A. Okay. Name this
A
as set A.
set
A is equal to set
P, comma
ah,
O R R
R.
R.
Multiplication is not known. So no need of writing O again. Then number of
Subsets
subsets.
is equal to 2 and 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8.
Okay. Then
Sets
subsets.
of A
Subsets of A is equal to
set P O R.
O R.
Null set
Others.
set
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
set P
P.
O R set P O
Set P
set
O R
set O R
Set O.
set O R.
set
Completed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Number of proper subsets.
Number of proper.
Proper subset.
Number of
Is
proper.
equal to
2 raised to n minus 1.
Minus 1.
That is equal to
2 raised to minus minus 7.
Then proper.
Proper
Proper
of
subsets
A is
are
equal to
of A are
null sets.
null set
null set
Null set.
P,
Set P. Set O.
set O
Set R.
set
P
P O,
O.
set
Set
PR,
P R.
set
Set
O
O
R,
R.
R.
O.
set finished.
Any doubt? Please raise your hands. Remaining all the questions, same model questions only. Anyone have any doubt? Please raise your hands.
Ma'am, at last, why we are not writing that first part? P O R, that.
Here,
That's also set.
here in this.
Yes,
Proper
ma'am.
subsets. Proper subsets. No. Proper subsets means what? We don't want to write that set. Proper subset.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the difference between subset and a proper subset. Subsets only we will write that set. Proper subset means we won't write that. That is the difference between we wrote in the next subset of a set A can be equal to set A. Subset of a set A, subset of a set can be equal to A. Equal to that A. But what happened? Proper subset can't be equal to A. We will not write that question in proper subset. That is subset means what? Symbol for subset is but that equal symbol is there, no, in subset. Satvik.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
proper subset means we will write only that C, no equal sign, no, we are not writing that, no. Symbol for
Yes, ma'am.
proper subset. So think of that and proper subset means we don't want to write that question. Think of that question.
Yes.
No need of writing that. Why? Because in that symbol that equal sign is not there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is
Yeah.
that all the what easy way to understand. Remember, these all are the easy way to remember how to find out the difference between the subsets and the proper subsets. Then can we do the any others? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay. Then second question. Second question. Try to do yourself. Okay. After that only I will. Okay. Second. If C is the set of letters in the word cooler, if C is the set of letters in the word COOLER, cooler. Find first one set C, then second we have to find out N of C. What is the meaning of N of C? N of C.
Number of
cardinality of C.
Cardinality of C. Number of elements
number of
C. No, this is known as what? Number of elements.
C.
Number of elements in C, or otherwise we can say this as the another name we studied.
Cardinality of
Cardinality of C. Higher classes you will use which one? Which word only you will use? Cardinality. Cardinality. Understood. That standard word only we will use in higher classes. Cardinality. So you should know what is cardinality. Simply cardinality is what? Number of elements. Understood. So N of C. Then third one, number of its subsets. Number of its subsets. So got the difference between number of elements and number of subsets.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are different. Number of subsets. This is N of C means number of elements, number of subsets. Then fourth one is number of proper subsets. Number of its proper subsets. Okay, this is your question. Second, 4 questions are there. Someone asked me, what is your doubt? If C is a set of letters in the word cooler, find first one, set C. Then second one, N of C. Third one, number of its subsets. Fourth one, number of its proper subsets. So first we can do set C. After completing, tell me.
Set C. Set C.
Set C. So C, directly we can write C is equal to. No need of SCT, set C. C.
C.
C.
O.
Comma.
N.
Comma.
E. R.
That's all. Okay. Then second one is what? N of C. N of C means number of elements in the set C. N of C.
5.
What about others?
5.
Others? 5, no?
Yes, ma'am.
5. If you need, write here, that is number of elements in set C is 5. If you need only, this is not for exam, this is for your knowledge only. This square bracket. If you write simply 5, sometimes you will get confusion, so write this. Next,
Number of subsets.
number of subsets only you need to find out. Number of subsets. Formula 2 raised to n.
2 raised to n.
2 raised
to 5.
2
raised to 5.
2 raised to 5.
already we wrote 5 no here. 2 raised to
So
5.
32.
32.
32.
And 32.
No need of writing that. Only number they ask. So next number of
Proper subsets.
Proper is equal to
Proper subsets is equal to
formula
2 raised
2 raised to n minus 1
minus
equal
1 is equal
2
to
raised to 5 minus 1.
no need of
5
writing
minus
that.
1.
No need of already we wrote 2 raised to n. No need of writing that. Directly if you need you can write directly you can write
32 minus 1, 31.
Equal to 31.
directly you can write. Okay, 32 minus 1, 31. If needed, you can write 2 raised to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 32 minus 1. Not compulsory. 31 is enough. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then question number
Ma'am.
3. Yesterday I sent a
Ma'am,
photo.
time.
Yesterday I sent a photo, no? So there you will have third question, teeth. You have in that. So I will not send it again. Third question you can do as a homework. Okay.
Okay,
Third.
ma'am.
Universal.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth and fifth we can do tomorrow. Okay, third is enough. Fourth and fifth we can do tomorrow. So third is easy. Teeth, you know. Find the set of all x's. That x is a letter in the word teeth. Find its subsets. So first you want to write the set in roster form. Teeth. T-E.
T E
T.
T-E-T-H.
T only. So
T-E-T-H.
T-H.
T-E-H only.
T-H.
So 2 raised to 3 will be the
2 raised to 8.
8. So write subsets. Only want to write the.
Okay, ma'am.
So do it. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.